Welcome back to step 2 out of the total 9 steps of our TP benchmarking software regarding the data setup. In the previous step, we have successfully uploaded our benchmarking data into the tool, to which we can now apply certain metrics, split into a general and into a specific section. Both these sections have in common that you can increase or fine-tune your comparability levels in line with your tested party, while at the same time decreasing the number of companies in your set to maybe a more preferable number. The difference between both sections is that the general is more about certain qualitative characteristics like your region, the independence criteria of the companies, and their NACE codes. For example, if we want to only include companies from Southern Europe in our set, the tool tells us in real time that 32 companies will be rejected and 69 companies will be remaining. The specific section is more about certain quantitative characteristics, or in other words, financial ratios or thresholds that might be relevant for TP. For example, we can apply a maximum intangible asset to total asset ratio of, for example, 10%. It needs to be applicable for all years, or the average of all the years, or at least for 1 year. We can do the same for inventory levels, turnover levels, numbers of FTE, etc., etc. There is an overview pane telling us that a total of 66 companies remain. A good side note to make is that the rejected companies won't be deleted from our benchmarking tool. We can draw upon them later if it turns out that the remaining companies were not sufficient for the benchmarking process. Once we are satisfied with our data setup step, we can press Save and Next to go to the next step.